We all know of the man that gave reverence to the number 46. Watching every one of his races religiously, watching him master his machine both on and off-road, attacking corners like it owed him money. The man we're talking about is, of course, Valentino Rossi. And today, we're going to take a look at something that belongs in any true Rossi fan's collection, the first-class limited edition DID Valentino Rossi chain. I'm excited to begin. Guys, can I finally see what I'm about to unbox? Because they've been hiding this from me. So unfair, right? Huh? Hey!
Hello!
Hello! Thanks, Amy. Before we go ahead with the unboxing, why don't you tell us a bit about the organization behind this raffle and how the viewers can stand to win this chain?
Okay, sure. Hey guys, I'm Amy from Carousel. Today we are introducing you guys to Free Food for All. Free Food for All, or FFFA for short, is a registered charity in Singapore that provides relief by fulfilling a basic human need for food and empowering the beneficiaries to take action and raise themselves out of poverty. They distribute free meals that are nutritious and tasty to those in need and to those who qualify for their assistance programs. To donate, simply tap on the quick buy button in this listing, select the delivery method, which is just so that the donation process can go through. Select your payment method, tap on place order, and you're done. Every $10 will be considered one entry and there's no entry limits per person. Links in the description below.
Wow, so all I have to do to enter is just to donate $10. So can I give you $20 and we do this under the table? You just give me
Cannot lah.
Okay, anyway. Well, thank you, Amy. Yeah. And if you guys want to stand a chance to win this amazing chain, and more importantly, if you guys stand behind the message of FFFA, do consider donating to the cause. Any amount will help, but do remember only donations of at least $10 will count towards an entry in this raffle. Okay, Amy, I think it's time for you to make your move so that I can have some alone time with this beautiful Mr. Rossi. Yeah? Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, are you guys ready? We're finally gonna unbox this. Now, there's only 460 pieces of this in the world, and this happens to be number 357. Unfortunately, we don't have 333, so... But number 46 is taken by Mr. Rossi himself, of course, and this is a bit hard. Can I try this? Yeah. Sure? Ah, yes! Oh my god. It smells like horsepower. And now, we're finally gonna... Oh my god. Would you look at this? Okay, this needs to be hidden first, okay? Go away. I want to look at the chain. Let's get the chain up. Oh my god. Okay. Now for the keen-eyed amongst you, this chain is actually very similar to DID's 520 ERV7 chain, which is actually what this is based off. Oh, would you look at that color? Now the DID 520 ERV7 is actually a chain that's being used by Rossi in his races, among many other grades. Now what makes this limited edition special is this crystal ornament that's included. On it, you can see the serial number, which is number 357, but the most important thing is this golden little chain link right here. This is a chain link that was actually used by Rossi himself on his chain in a MotoGP race. So, I'm not a scientist, but if you put this on your bike, you'll probably get 20 horsepower. Probably. Don't quote me on that. Next up, we have this metal plate that... Oh, what's this? It's Rossi's signature! Well, I'm not gonna peel off. There's a plastic piece covering that I'm really tempted to peel off on both sides. But unfortunately, I don't think I can do... I can't do that, right? Yeah, I can't do that. I'm sorry, guys. But if you want the satisfaction of peeling that, win it. Donate. And finally, for the meat and potatoes, the chain! Oh my god, this looks... I want to touch it. I need gloves. Gloves. Ah.
Cannot do it.
I'm stuck! Oi! You know, sometimes when you're excited, these things just don't go on easy. I don't think it fits. Never mind. Oh my god, it's heavy! I don't think I've ever picked up a motorcycle chain before, but I was not expecting it to be so heavy. Oh man, I feel bad opening this. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys can see, but apart from the high-vis yellow, there is the signature blue on the inner links, and that looks absolutely stunning. So if your bike already has a Rossi color theme, this will fit right in. But that's if you're actually mad enough to put this beautiful limited edition one on your bike, but it's yours to do with if you win it. Printed on this limited edition chain, apart from the DID branding, are many little Easter eggs that you can look at that's related to Mr. Valentino Rossi. You have the doctor, you have the VR46 logo, you have the number 46, and of course, that's washing over the whole chain itself, the bright yellow and blue that's signature to Rossi. Unfortunately, my time with this chain has come to an end. Can we win this? Can I win this? Okay, anyway. Although I won't be able to bring this home, it was an honor to be able to unbox and take a look at this with all of you guys. I hope you all had as much fun as I did. Once again, a huge thank you to FFFA, Moto World, and Carousel who made this video possible. And if you want to stand a chance to win this chain worth $1,500, $1,500, remember that every $10 donated gives you a chance in the raffle. No limit to the number of times you want to enter. And with that, I'm Jake, and see you on the road.